Buti na lang tumigil ang ulan. Okay, bike tayo. Maya-maya ulan ulit ito. So maybe later today it will still rain. Ayos na ayos talaga mga traffic lights dito eh. Working lahat. Ang lawak pa ng mga bike lanes. Kung tutusin, mas malaki ang natitipid nitong Japan dahil sa napakaayos at epektibong mga sistemang trapiko nila. Kasi hindi na sila nagbabayad ng mga traffic aids, ng mga traffic enforcers. So, working lahat ng mga traffic lights. Talaga namang napaka-epektibo. Itong lugar dito, kung tutusin, parang katumbas to ng mga village sa Pilipinas na kung saan you can see a lot of expensive and beautiful houses and of course private roads. So dito, wala namang mga private roads dito. Open lahat ng mga daan, karsada. Kaya walang hassle. Kung nagmamadali ka at alam mo ang mga shortcuts, you can pass by any road. And you can reach your destination so easily. Sa ngayon, papasukin natin tong recycle shop. Let's see if we can choose something here. Actually, itong recycle shop na to, hindi naman talaga lahat dito recycle. Maraming mga bago rito. Machichempuhan mo. Tingnan natin. Medyo maliit lang pero minsan makakatsamba ka dito ng maayos. What's this? It's good. bases. Mga pots. Mga bugs. Nandito tayo ngayon sa playground. It's part of the park. Part of the park. Actually, itong park na to medyo hanggang dun siya. Puntahan natin yun mamaya. Mahaba itong park na to. And of course, syempre, bahagi no, ng parke is yung playground, children's playground. So like this one, we are at the children's playground. Okay. Ito yung slides. When it isn't raining, there are so many kids playing here. Of course with parents. Ayan. Especially during weekends. Like today or Saturday, supposedly there are a lot of kids playing here, but the ground is wet because it rains. So ayan, ito yung slides. Ibutin natin. Buti na lang hindi maputik, no? Kasi white sand ang tinambak nila dito. So kahit na umulan ng ganito, hindi ka basta-basta mapuputi ka. O hindi lulubog yung paa mo kasi nga white sand to. Ayan. And of course, okay, ito yung swings, of course. Ito, pang 1 to 3 years old yata ito. 1 to 3 years old. At ito, pang medyo malalaki na, 4 years old to 6. So, kita naman natin, no? It's white sand. So kahit na pakapakan mo ng ganun, Hindi ka lulubog, hindi ka mapuputikan. So, napakaganda. Baka rin tong park na to eh. Ano naman to? Okay. Itong bahaging to, actually, during summer, pinupuno nila to ng tubig. Okay? It's like a pond, a small pond, and kids can play here as well. But it's now dried up. First, there's swing. Naalala ko nung bata pa ako eh. Kaya lang hindi ganito kaganda yung swing. Ginagawa lang namin. Naglalagay kami ng kung merong puno no, na tumumba. So nilalagay namin sa gitna. Siyempre medyo malaking puno. Tapos bahagi rin ng puno yung gagawin namin na swing like this. So, ganun. Pero dito, siyempre, maganda yung ginagawa nila. Medyo mahabang park, medyo malaki. And if you would like to think or meditate, so it's good to visit this park and try to release, some bad images in your mind or from your mind, and you'll get refreshed just by walking along this park. And of course over there, kita naman natin, no? Tennis court. Actually, meron ding tennis court dun sa kabila. Puntahan natin. So I think this tennis court is public as well, but of course you have to pay for something for you to be able to play. But I think it's cheap. And of course the toilet. So yung toilet dito, meron siyang pang for especially abled people. Ayan, makikita naman natin yung sign. And for normal, okay? For abled people. For men and for women. Ayan. Malaki ang toilet dito sa park na to. Wow, what a beauty. Dami rin puno ng park na to ah. Punta tayo dun sa parte ng ilog na yan. There's a river over there. Buti na lang huminto yung kapagala ng konti. So kung if you feel bit stressful o you feel stress, you can just, kung merong park na ganito, no? If you have uh, a park like this in your place, you can just hang out alone, or if you have friends that you can um, go with you, then hang out with them, walk a little bit, just roam around in a park like this, and for sure, no, after the day ends, okay na lahat. So ito yung part ng river. Ayan. Okay, actually, it's not exactly a river. I think part of the river, but it seems to me that this is a pond, something like a pond. So, hindi siya masyadong kalinisan, no? Kasi uh, nasa gitna siya, no, ng mga pabrika. Then I believe, no, yung mga tubig na lumalabas dyan sa mga pabrika na yan, treated, well treated na. So hindi naman to masyadong polluted, kaya lang kasi dead end to eh. So if you notice, no, this is the end of this river, and of course all the dirts, okay, ends here. So that's the reason why the water itself is not clear. Yung bandaron, yun yung sento. Yun, yung lugar na yun, yung over there, no? And of course, this one, the buildings here are mansions, and that's the parking area of for these mansions, and over there is a bridge, and of course factories here. And if you notice, no, yung part na yon, actually that is part of the old roads, skyway. So but then after they had the subway over there, they built a subway over there, then they stopped this road, no? They constructed it. So ayan. And if you get tired walking around this park, you can just sit there and there as well. There's a cat. Meow 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 meow. See, there's a cat over there. It's kind of refreshing here. Okay, so punta tayo sa kabilang bahagi ng park. Pero I think the only attraction there is the tennis court. Pero bahagi pa rin siya ng park na to. Ayun, banda ron. Tahan natin. Limutan ko pa yung bag ko. Buti di nawala. Every day dito sa bahagi na to, sa lugar na to, in the morning, at least every 7 in the morning here at this place, there are many senior citizens gathering here, socializing, and over there, they are doing some exercises there. That's how active senior citizens here. Yan. Doves. Doves here get used to be fed by the people here. So, just like right now, no? They think that I'm gonna give them some foods. Okay, sorry, I don't have foods with me. Okay, let's go this way. Gusto na to. Kinis. So, kinis niya. Ito yung sakura. Sakura tree or flower blossoms. Kapag ka spring season, of course maraming bulaklak yan. May mga naglalatag dyan, no? They do picnics here. Naglalatag pamilya, o kaya mga magkakaibigan, no? Diyan sila, okay? Nagpipiknik. Puntahan natin yung tennis court. At yun, no, kung yung karugtong yun ng o bahagi, no, ng skyway o skyway. Hindi pala skyway, daanan pala ng tren yan. Ito yung tennis court. Ito yung CR again. Ito yung tennis court, no? I think may bayad dito eh. And of course, you need to have some reservation for you to be able to play here. Kapag hindi umuulan at weekends na ganito, marami naglalaro dito. At ito yung praktisan ng tennis. Ayan, praktisan ng tennis yan. So, if you want to practice serving, this board, no, this place is good for you. Ayan. At least you cannot disturb anyone by practicing. And of course, hindi ka mapapagod, no? Basta-basta kasi babalik din sa yung bola kapag ka nag-serve ka dyan. Hindi ka pupulot ng malayuan. Unlike yung tunay na net, katulad dun sa tennis court mismo, if you are going to practice service over there, then you'll get tired easily. Kasi ang layo ng dadamputin mong bola. So, ayun. Ayun, factory. Yun, factory ng semento yun. Yan. It isn't working now because it's Saturday. So sometimes it's a little bit noisy. And of course, the trademark of Japan, the vending machine capital of the world, is this vending machine here. So meron na silang pang winter hot drinks. Papansinin natin, red, that's hot, and this one is cold drinks, blue. Vending machine is everywhere here in Japan. Ayun. Balik na tayo dun sa kotse natin. We'll go back to our car. Our bicycle. So ayan yung parking, no, ng pachinko o ng pasugalan. Dito, bawat establishments dito, whether big or small, they give priority to parking. Okay? Because if you don't have parking and you are running an establishment or a business, you will not be, visited by customers. So that's why they prioritize parking. And parking such as that, it's a 4-story parking. It's a big one. And that one is a community center. And of course, the department store over there, or the grocery store, residential areas. Okay.